Good morning, guys. Hope everyone was well. Sending prayers to Acapulco, Mexico after a powerful 7.0 earthquake struck near the resort city of Acapulco last night. At least one person was killed. It caused the buildings to rock and sway in Mexico City, nearly 200 miles away. Multiple walls collapsed. There was rock slides, landslides. Here you can see images of cars that slid off that were probably parked. This Twitter post, you could actually see the walls moving on the foundation of the house. It's like, wow. Yeah, I'm sure there's more people injured than what's being reported right now. Here's some more images that were shared on Twitter. The military viewing what looks like to be a collapsed wall, and look at all the damage to the top of the car. Another image, I don't know what collapsed, if that's a light pole, a sign pole. People all rushed outside in a panic. Another image of damage. Yeah, look how far out the bricks and masonry fell. That taxi's crushed. Yeah, here's another image of that crushed car in front of that hotel. Another image. There was another Twitter post showing all the people running out of the buildings. They were evidently very worried about the structure collapsing, running out with their pets. Yeah, they were on some kind of transit system when this earthquake occurred. And then pictures taken from inside of all the lights shaking. In another video, this man just completely panics and starts running. They really do feel that these buildings are going to come down. Yeah, and the woman is screaming and crying, and yeah, they're all very upset during this earthquake. The transformers blew, they lost power. Like I said, now water main broke. USGS is reporting 6 earthquakes of magnitude 2.5 or greater. There's been more recently a 4.6, a 4.7, and a 4.9. This is the location of that 7.0. And then before that, there was a magnitude 4.2. As you know, any earthquake has the potential of being a foreshock for something much larger. Using Google Earth, here's the location of that 7.1. And over here is Mexico City, where it was felt very strong. We also have a volcano. Earthquakes in the past have been known to trigger volcanoes. It was active as of February of this year. USGS gave it an intensity level of 7. Very strong. And here's the felt reports. Most of them were in Mexico City. More than likely because that is an area that's built on a lot of fill and sediment. Inside paper has images of the transformers blowing during that earthquake. Yeah, it's amazing. Evidently, 1.6 million people were without power, and the one person that was killed was caused by a falling post. ABC News has a video of the subway transit shaking. In 1985, there was a magnitude 8.0, and let me bring it out and show you where Mexico City is at. Up over here, there's the 1985, that was Mexico City, or that is Mexico City. The death count has been disputed. Over 5,000 bodies had been recovered, but the National Seismological Service said that over 45,000 people had died from that earthquake, with at least 30,000 injured. About 250,000 people became homeless. So you can see why when they have large earthquakes, people panic. I would too. And yeah, you just don't know. Any earthquake has a 20% chance of being a foreshock for something much larger. Sending prayers. What are your thoughts? Please put your comments down below. If you have family, I hope they're safe. I hope they're prepared. Please stay safe, and I'll talk to you later. God bless you. Bye.